If you want to put Google Chrome on your desktop for quick access, this video is going to walk you through the easiest method step by step. It's a simple Windows tip, but it can save you time every single day, because you'll be able to open Chrome with one click, right from your desktop. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful how-to videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard, or click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open Windows Search, which is the fastest way to find installed apps on your computer. Next, type Chrome into the search bar. You should see Google Chrome appear in the results. Once it shows up, right-click on Google Chrome. From the menu that appears, choose Open File Location. This will take you directly to the folder where the Chrome shortcut is stored. Now that the folder is open, look for the Chrome shortcut. Right-click the Chrome shortcut and select Copy. If you see a copy icon instead, you can use that too. This copies the shortcut so you can place it somewhere easier to reach. Now, go to your main desktop screen. Make sure you're on an empty area of the desktop, then right-click anywhere, blank. From the menu, click Paste. Windows will place the Chrome shortcut onto your desktop, and now you'll have a direct shortcut to open Google Chrome whenever you want. If you'd like, you can also rename it or move it into a better spot on the desktop for easier access. Once it's there, just double-click the icon anytime you want to launch Chrome. And that's it. You've now added Google Chrome to your desktop in just a few simple steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials, computer tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.